Welcome back. I'm Olivia, Olivia's Romantic Home.
I'm Jake Rogers with Bratton Antiques.
In today's video, we are so excited to bring you guys some DIY Dollar Tree fall crafts, another episode in our huge I Love Fall series. And
today we are going to show you how to make these two little Dollar Tree swags. They'd be great if you have double doors outside your front door. You can do two different ones, or you have a choice of two different tutorials on how to make each one of these.
yes, and you guys are never going to believe what we use to create these swags on. You probably have one at home. So anyway, without further ado, let's go ahead and plug in those glue guns, get out your glitter and paint, and
let's get to crafting.
Okay, for this Dollar Tree DIY, I want to share with you guys a super awesome pool noodle hack we are going to use to create this swag on. You're going to simply cut the pool noodle down the center, and then that's going to be the base. It's kind of act as a floral foam. The next thing I want to do is just add in some deco mesh. So I cut it in about 14-inch strips, and then I'm just ruffling it and taking some floral wire and tying it off. And you can see my trusty assistant, Nick, over there is helping clip the flowers. I've shared with you guys I've been struggling with some carpal tunnel. It's making it a little bit more difficult to craft with, so I have had some folks in just kind of helping me so I can keep sharing with you guys these videos. But anyway, I'm adding in now some floral stems. I added in several little bundles of the deco mesh, and you just take the deco mesh and poke it in to the pool noodle, and I am adding a little bit of glue into the deco mesh as well. Here is what it looks like so far. This is all Dollar Tree supplies minus the bow. So to make this bow, I'm measuring it from my hand to my elbow, and then I'm looping it over on itself 6 times. Then I'm going to simply tie this off in the center. It's the easiest bow you guys will ever make. You've seen me make it a million times, I know, but it's such a tried and true bow. Then I just picked it into the top, and then I'm taking these tails and I'm going to simply kind of drape them down the side. The next thing I'm going to do is poke this little floral pick into the pumpkins to get the pumpkins to adhere into my project, and these are all Dollar Tree supplies. Here is how it is looking so far, and now you guys can just really get creative with this swag and add in whatever pretty colors. I'm using a ton of beautiful vibrant fall colors because this is part of my I Love Fall series, and I'm super thankful to have help with this I Love Fall series this year. It's super inspiring. The next thing I just want to do is add in a little bit of tails to the base of it, and here is how it came out. I think it looks so beautiful, totally budget friendly, and it would be beautiful on some, doors, a pretty little chair, a mirror, really anywhere you guys need a pretty little decor piece for fall. For this Dollar Tree DIY, we're going to create a fall swag using a Dollar Tree pool noodle, and we're going to attach one of these awesome little Dollar Tree Plus gnomes to it. So you're simply going to thread the zip ties through the back of the gnome. Just use some scissors to poke some little holes in there, and then attach your gnomie to the pool noodle. Once you have that completed, you can make some deco mesh bundles. I just took and bundled about an 8 to 10 inch strip of deco mesh and then added that to the top and the base to really give it some fullness. Then we're going to go in with some Dollar Tree, beautiful little floral goodies. I'm tying a quick and easy bow. You're just going to take it and loop it over on itself, fluffy out that bow, attach some more just beautiful fall goodies, a cute little pumpkin, whatever suits your fancy. And thank you to Jake for assisting me on this project. He is from Bratton Antiques. He has been joining me in this I Love Fall series. He's a dear friend and very professional, amazing interior designer that works with antiques, florals, high-end home decor. But we created this for you guys on a budget, so here is how it turned out. So adorable, fabulous, and fun. I love this. Great for fall.
Thank you so much.
It is such a blessing and honor to have you all here. We hope you are super inspired with all of this fun fall crafting and decorating. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and comment down below so we can hear what you guys love.
We're so excited to be out here working with you guys, getting all your comments, feeling the love. We've got some exciting things happening that we're going to be announcing very soon.
Super fun projects coming for you guys. Jake is an amazing force, a creative designer. He's worked on $1 million homes, so let me tell you guys, it is such a blessing, and thank you guys for welcoming Jake, and thank you, Jake, for being here.
Absolutely.
So remember, be kind to yourselves, be kind to one another, and if you can dream it,
You can do it.
And if you can't,
We'll show you how.
We love y'all. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.